Hello student, today we are going to discuss data privacy and protection. This is another important topic of the ethical issues in data and software privacy. So privacy refers to maintaining confidentiality of a information which is related to an individual or an organization. Yes, exactly. You have to protect your information from the unauthorized access. The regulations that support the privacy consider that every individual has the right which not be publicized everything related to him or her. The issues of privacy include the following: access to personal information, which refers to such information which is an individual may or may not permit to be shared. For example, personal contact number, address, and relationship status, which are some of personal information of an individual which not be shared with the unknown person. Such information should not be made public without the consent of the individual. Okay. Next, maintenance of a confidentiality, which involves protection of a confidential record, information, or data. For example, if an employee who has accessed the confidential company information intend to make it available for the competitor, it is unethical. To avoid such situation, organizations sometimes ask the employees to enter into an agreement of fair use of organizational data. Ethical responsibility of a business. It involves fair disclosure of a terms of employment, policies and procedure to be followed, and equal treatment for the all employees. Hurting the sentiments of any employee intentionally is unethical practice by an employer. So, what we have discussed till now: access to personal information, maintenance of confidentiality, ethical responsibility of a business. Now, next one is adequate disclosure. It involves a maintaining balance between the right to information and privacy of an individual. The data that is not required to be disclosed should not be disclosed. Yes, keep in mind. Also, if it become necessary to disclose any such information, prior consent must be taken from the individuals whom this information belongs to. Personal communication. It involves the unauthorized access to personal communication between two parties without their consent. Every individual has the right to express his or her feeling to extent it does not hurt the sentiments of anybody. Accessing the personal email inbox in reading personal mails of individual is unethical. Without without any consent of any people, you can't able you you not allowed to access his or her personal information. So these are the few things which are related to data privacy and protection. The right to privacy is also one of the basic human right, and ethical practices avoid violation of this right. Next we will discuss software privacy, software piracy. Okay, thank you.